I want us to do this question. Using dots and crosses to represent electrons, draw a diagram to show bonding in carbon 2 oxide. You have been given atomic number of carbon is 6 and the atomic number of oxygen is 8. So the first step, we write the electron configuration. So carbon, the electron configuration of carbon is 2, 4. Okay, these are 6, just like this. Are we together? Yes. Then oxygen, electron configuration is 2, 6. Okay, 2, 6. You can either put a comma or you can put a full stop when you are writing the electron configuration. Now, we need to ask ourselves, what kind of bond is going to be formed? Is it ionic bond? Is it which other one? Or is it covalent bond? So to know whether it is covalent or ionic bond, we need to know whether this carbon is a metal or a non-metal. How many electrons are in the outermost energy level? 4. Okay? Now if there are 4, how many are required for it to become stable? 4. So is it a metal or a non-metal? This one is a non-metal. Very good. Members of group 4 are semi-metals, or we can just say it's non-metal. What about oxygen? How many are in the outermost energy level? 6. So does it react by gaining or reducing electrons? By gaining. Gaining how many? 2. So this one also reacts by gaining, therefore it is a non-metal. Very good. So since we have known that both of them are non-metals, then a bond between a non-metal and another non-metal is covalent bond. So this one is going to give us what type of bond? Covalent bond. Are we together? Yes. So in covalent bond, we show only the outermost electrons. We do not show these other electrons here. So we'll omit this and this. Which ones are we going to use? This one and this one. Are we together? Very good. So we'll say carbon 4 oxide. What's the formula of carbon 4 oxide? CO2. So the formula of carbon 4 oxide is CO2. So how many carbon atoms are there? 1. How many oxygen atoms are there? 2. So you do it like this. You put a circle in the middle, like this. Okay, this is now the circle of carbon. Are we together? Yes. And then we have 2 circles. One circle, this is carbon 2, not carbon 4. So we'll be having only one circle of carbon and one circle of what? Of oxygen, like this. So this is oxygen. Formula of carbon dioxide is CO, not CO2. Are we together? So we see now, the electrons of carbon will be represented by X, and the electrons of oxygen will be represented by dot. Let's start with oxygen. How many electrons does oxygen have? 6. It already has 6. Are we together? Yes. How many does it require to become stable? 2. Where does the 2 come from? Carbon. So we'll write the electrons of carbon. How many? 2 in the shared part here. 1, 2, like that. Of which element? Carbon. So we have already written 2. How many are remaining? 2. So the remaining 2, you take it to carbon like that. Are you seeing that?
Yes.
So 2 which were required by oxygen are this one in the middle, and then 2 which have not been used are remaining in carbon. Are you seeing that?
Yes.
Very good. Let's now go to the next element, which is oxygen. How many electrons does oxygen have? Sorry, which is carbon. How many electrons does carbon have? 1, 2, 3, 4. Are we together?
Yes.
How many does carbon require to become stable? How many does it require to become stable? 4. Where would those 4 come from? Oxygen. Are you seeing that? Yes. So how many dots do you write here? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 electrons are taken to the shared pair. How many are remaining? If we already have 4 here, how many are remaining for oxygen? 6 that's taken 4. 2 are remaining. So we put 2 dots here. So this is the dot and cross diagram of carbon 2 oxide. This one can also be represented like this. Oxygen, carbon. Where we have a dot and a cross, you put a single covalent bond. Another dot and a cross, another single covalent bond. And then a dot and a dot is another bond like that. These dots belongs to who? Oxygen. So oxygen is donating to carbon. So you put an arrow like that, showing that this is a dative bond. This is a dative bond. So the dative bond is pointing from the donor to the one which is being donated to. Are we together? Stop there.